guys, Kilroy here, MakoVents.com. You're watching Mako TV. Episode 15. I just got off work, driving home, figured I'd record the intro and all that goody good stuff you guys like to see. Let's go ahead and jump into the news.
Brought to you by Airsoft Today, World Airsoft News.
Talked about this 2 weeks ago, or a couple weeks ago. WE releasing their gas blowback series. They just released another video on their YouTube channel where they kind of give you the full overview of the gun. The guy talks a little bit about the company and that kind of, well, not the company, but you know, their AK series. It's a full travel bolt. I don't know if you guys could tell that from the videos we had up a couple weeks ago. That means the entire bolt comes back and kicks back and forth, and that gives the awesome kick that gas blowback has. From my personal point of view, I think it's going to be a big hit. Speaking of big hits, Airsoft Riot channel, they're kind of an airsoft show kind of deal, kind of like us, but they're a little better. They just posted a video about calling your hits, and it's pretty damn funny. You guys should check it out. I'll put a link in the description. Get over there, make sure you subscribe, say hi to Smoker Miyagi and all the guys over there. They're pretty cool. Moving on, as you know, we get our news articles from Airsoft Today. Well, there was an article up there how they were testing the dangers of FPS. And if you're watching the stupid robot cartoons I'm putting up lately because I'm bored at work, I have an issue with people using too high FPS when it's not needed. CQB, for example, anything 4x400 is overkill in my opinion for CQB. Anyway, so they're testing different FPSs on how they react to the eyeball when the eyeball is shot. Obviously, nobody's being a dumbass and playing airsoft without safety glasses, I hope. If you're watching this channel and you're not, shame on you. So they've got this mannequin head, and one of the eyes is cut out. And the video itself is in German. I can't understand a dang thing the guy's saying. But they're using cadaver eyes. So people die, they donate their eyes, and this guy takes them and shoot BBs at them. So anyway, link in the description, check it out. I was just like, what the hell. Another plug for Airsoft Today. I wrote a report about Oklahoma invasion for their website. They put it up there featuring our video, our last episode. So that's pretty cool. If you haven't seen that or read that yet, go ahead and jump over to airsofttoday.com. It's right there at the top. It's a static image. It says report Oklahoma invasion. So go ahead and check that out. That was all the airsoft news that mattered to me. So let's get on to some plugins, shall we? We've done a couple videos about it. Operation Phoenix 3 coming up in a week from Saturday, this coming Saturday, the 18th. June 24th, Friday, we'll be heading down there with the Mako team. We've got about a full squad of 12 guys we're taking down. Gameplay starts the 25th. You can arrive then. You cannot check in any later than 10 a.m. the day of gameplay. But it's a 2-day entry-level meal sim kind of deal. It's going to be pretty sweet. Operation Midnight Harvest is kind of a ways off, and I've plugged in a couple videos, but it's our milsim event. It's kind of one we're proud of. It's the event that we do. So it'll be Operation Midnight Harvest number 2, October 22nd, 2011, at Tactical Airsoft Base. It's a milsim event, night insertion. So we're going to have each faction, hopefully. We still haven't got all this set in stone yet. There's the different lands that we're going to be using. One faction will meet off-site and be bust into the AO and drop inserted in the dark. So it'll be pretty neat. But for more information on that one, check that out at MakoVents.com. Go ahead and click on the forums there, sign up, and we'll be happy to talk to you guys over there. So let's get on to the gameplay, shall we? This last weekend we went to CMA, Center Mass Airsoft, and they're filled out in 27th Street in Kansas City, Missouri. Went out there. We always have a good time out there. They're a good group of guys. We've interviewed Mac and run in before. But went out there, had a good time. I rocked my Red Star AK47. Light people up left and right. It was a good time. Well, I'm going to shut the hell up and let's watch the footage. Are you hit?
Yeah.
I only heard one hit.
That's right, B. Ah, there you go. Over here.
Left. From that distance? Okay, full auto, unfucking necessary. You could shoot me one fucking time. More than that's unnecessary, bro. Hit! Well, there's a such thing as trigger control. Tap, 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 tap. That's acceptable. Full fucking auto for 3 seconds into my side, not acceptable. Yeah, oh hey, footage over, gotta go, bye. Hey, you made it, I'm back at home, back in my apartment, packing like a moron, a lot. We're getting ready to move here, my wife and I, we're gonna move to a new place, second bedroom, where I actually have a place to record these videos. I'm gonna get a white backdrop, green screen, black backdrop, all that stuff, so it looks more professional. You're not looking at my annoying orange chair and these white walls and my door frame and all that crap. Hopefully our format, our videos with me sitting here talking to you guys start to look a little bit better. Hope you guys enjoyed the footage. As always, if you guys have any questions at all, ever email me, kilroy@makeopens.com. Next episode, we're going to be back at a tab again, Tactical Airsoft Base, where some of the tab guys are rolling with us to Phoenix, so we're going to give them a kind of a field maneuver refresher course. Mako's a woods team, we do a lot of woods ball playing, tabs a lot of CQB guys, so gonna show them how to move the field and all that good stuff. Till next time, mags out, safety's on. Ready to go.
Come again? I'm just gonna wait here for you to hit. Where are you trying to safety kill me from? Right here. Yeah, no way. No way, shoot me. Good job, guys.